So here is my review of this little fan that I took on vacation to Cyprus with my partner. Sorry, I should say fiance. I keep forgetting now. So this was fantastic. It really saved us. We were actually on a bus in Cyprus and the bus ended up breaking down. The air conditioning was off, so this was a lifesaver because it was able to keep us cool without us having to fan ourselves. So it is rechargeable, so you can charge it. You can also use it as a battery pack, so that's how you charge it, and that's how you can use it as like an external battery. The flashlight is super strong. You just hold, it literally blinded me in the hotel. I didn't realize how bright it was going to be. And then to turn it off, you just hold it. To get to the fan, it's a bit difficult to get to the fan, but what I do is I just kind of put my finger over the charging bit and you just kind of fold it out. It's not super easy to open that way, and the fact that I've got lotion on my hands is not helping. So this is the fan itself. You can set it in a couple different positions, but to turn it on you just press the button. It is quite quiet, and it gives out a good amount of air, so I'll just use some of this that I've got sitting here. So you can see it does blow fairly easily. That's its lowest setting, so on its higher setting, there you go, that's the higher setting. So it does a very good job of keeping you cool, and if you accidentally hit it, it doesn't hurt and it just stops itself automatically. These are loose, so that when you put them away, they just fold down, but it is super easy to use. And I don't think I recharged this at all the entire vacation. We were away for a week. I did use it multiple times, so definitely a must-have for a warm vacation destination.
Question 4. Which character does Ewan McGregor play in the Star Wars series? Obi-Wan Kenobi? Correct. Question 5. On Friends, the reunion, which massive pop star modelled Ross's Sputnik and Holiday Armadillo costumes alongside Cara Delevingne? I saw it. 5 seconds. Family Salvation. Stop the clock, Sally. You have been called upon. I'm going to re-ask the question. You're then going to have 10 seconds to answer on Jake's behalf. Here it comes. On Friends, the reunion, which massive pop stars modelled Ross's Sputnik and Holiday Armadillo costumes alongside Cara Delevingne. Stop the clock. Just that time, ladies, did you know? It was Scarlett Johansson. Don't stress. Let's move on to question 7. What did Lee Nelson hand deliver to Theresa May at the Conservative Party conference? Was it a fake P45, a fake job application to be Prime Minister, or a fake aeroplane ticket? It was a P45.
Esta es la primera velocidad y segunda. Después, si lo cerramos, hay que cerrarlo bien, porque si no se pueden quedar las aspas atascadas. Aquí tiene una linterna que se enciende apretando seguidamente de aquí. Apretamos igual y se apaga. Me encanta, o sea, lo utilizo a diario y ahora en verano, vamos, te salva de un montón.
Descargando te topetará ahí y no lo podrás abrir. Y si lo abres más así, para apoyarlo en la mesa, apoyadito así.
It is pretty easy to open it once you get the hang of it. So what I do is I hold on to here, and I use the little ears on the other part of the fan to pry it open. So just push, and there it is.